Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a link in Google Sites. First, visit sites.google.com, then enter the website you want to add a link on. Let's say that I want to add a link on this family text or word. Just select it using your mouse, then click on this link icon. A new window pops up. You can link directly to one of your website pages or fill in your address or link here. Let's link to google.com, then hit apply. After that, save your changes by hitting the publish button. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos. Also, enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel. Also, publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites, additional features like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. After that, save your changes by hitting the publish button. Click on it again, and let's view my website live. This is the link I've just added to now in this video, and if I click on it, I will be redirected to google.com. And this is how to add a link in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.